The next question. Which milk more satisfy the baby's hunger? Which milk more satisfy baby hunger? The answer is hin milk. Okay. Here you can see types of milk. First one, colostrum, transitional milk, hin milk. And so the milk which is secreted first 3 days of delivery, which is secreted first 3 days of delivery, called colostrum, and it contains high amount of antibodies like IgA, and protein, carbohydrates, low amount of fat. Then the milk which secreted after 3 to 15 days, from 3 to 15 days of delivery, called transitional milk. And next one, fore milk. Transitional milk. And next one, fore milk. And fore milk, this is a diluted milk secreted at the beginning of feeding. These contain water, protein, vitamin, sugar. Then last type of milk, hin milk, is a thick milk secreted later during feeding, and it consists of fat, energy, and finally it satisfies hunger of the baby. So which milk more satisfies the baby's hunger is hin milk. Okay. The next question. The initial milk or first milk secreted by the lactating mother is termed as. The answer is colostrum. Then first form of milk secreted by breastfeeding, the first 3 days following delivery is called answer colostrum. The next one, colostrum is rich in protein. Then milk that closely resembles human milk is. The answer is cow milk. Cow milk closely resembles to human milk. Here you see, okay, cow milk more resemble to human milk because it contains lactose sugar, equal amount of fat and water, and almost it gives same energy compared to human milk. Okay, so here in cow milk 3.5 grams per deciliter, 3.5 grams fat present, and here cow milk gives 67 kilocalorie per deciliter, kilocalorie energy per deciliter, and here the human milk gives 75 kilocalories energy per deciliter. And not only that, cow milk also contains more protein, sodium, potassium, chloride, phosphorus. But we should remember that this cow milk puts strain on infant kidneys because kidneys are immature in nature. So before when we are giving milk to the infant, compulsory we have to dilute that milk. Okay. Next question. Which of the following is a significantly different between human and cow milk? The answer is C. The difference between human milk and cow milk is C, protein and lactose. The difference between human and cow milk are amount of lactose sugar. Cow milk contains 4.5 grams per deciliter and human milk contains 7 grams per deciliter. And coming to the protein, cow milk contains 3.4 grams per deciliter and human milk contains 1.2 grams protein per deciliter. The amount of lactose present in cow milk 4.5 grams per deciliter and in human 7.5 grams per deciliter, and amount of protein present in the cow milk 3.4 grams per deciliter and in the human 1.2 grams per deciliter. So this is the difference between cow milk and human milk. The next question, the carbohydrate content of breast milk is. The answer is 7.5 grams. Okay. The next one. The next, which milk is nearer the mother's milk when added some sugar and extracted some protein from it? Which milk is nearer the mother milk when added some sugar and extracted some protein from it? The answer is cow milk. Already we discussed in previous question, cow milk contains low sugar compared to human milk. That is 4.5 grams per deciliter, and human milk contains 7.5 gram per deciliter. So it become near the mother milk when added some sugar. And cow milk contains more protein than human human milk. So cow milk contains 3.4 grams per deciliter and human milk contains 1.2 grams per deciliter. So become nearer the mother milk, nearer to the mother milk after removing some protein. Then next one, in 100 ml of human milk, how much protein is present? The answer is A, 1.2 grams. Then in comparison to cow's milk, which of the following is more in human milk? Comparison to cow milk, which of the following more in human milk? The answer is lactose. Breast milk contains high lactose concentration, 7 grams per deciliter compared to cow milk, that is 4.5 grams per deciliter. So breast milk tastes sweeter to cow milk. The average energy value of human milk is, the average energy value of human milk is per 100 ml, and the answer is B, 70 kilocalories per 100 ml.